We're going to an Airbnb for the month, and every time we travel, she packs her entire closet.
That's not true.
It's
That's dramatic. I bring the necessities, he talks a lot of smack, so we're gonna put it to the test, use the exact same suitcase, and see who truly packs more. Cool, like that noise.
Ah, kind of cool.
Whoa. When there's a will, there's a way, and when there's a Solgaard, there's also a way. So let's try it. These all look the same, but they're distinct, and they're different.
This one's got some stains on it, but I think it's good enough.
Okay, we're still not done with shirts. Rolling this. This is like a daytime, nighttime look. And the other is like a nighttime look.
3 shorts. They can wear them 2 or 3 times. Like no one's gonna know if they're a little dirty.
Underwear, swimsuit, don't know if I'm gonna swim. There could always be a hot tub. Now, time to move on to shoes. Nikes, Air Blazers. They're super cute, so they're coming. Vince sandals, slides, they're cool. Beauty before pink. And now we're done.
I think I filled maybe 40-50% of the suitcase.
Oh my god, this is kind of amazing. Usually there's a lot more tension between me and the suitcase. Okay.
Did you bring the dog?
No, I didn't bring the dog.
That's
I don't travel like you. You
You're
don't
not
make
moving.
sense. All right, David. Let's see. This is all you brought? This is all you brought for 1 month.
This is plenty.
David, you brought nothing.
Yeah, we can borrow what we don't have.
Swim trunks.
Well, I got those. I have one of those.
Button down.
We can borrow.
We are not borrowing a button down.
We can borrow.